Hello everyone, myself Seema Khandare from the student of BSc final year MSP Art Science and KPT Commerce College Manora, Department of Physics. My project topic name is Laser Security System. So firstly, we will tell about the aim. To study the laser security system. Apparatus required for this project are breadboard, LDR, resistor, NPN transistor, laser, pointer, battery, LED, wire, buzzer, battery clip and capacitor. Now we will see the introduction. Security is the most factor of today. Technology developed day by day in the world. The crime gang also improve through technology to perform their operation. So technology of security should modern with time to protect crime works. We decide to make a security. In this project, we have to use to laser light to cover the large area. We know that light goes through a long distance without scattering effect. It is also visible at a source and incident point otherwise invisible. These two properties help to blur up to modern security system, which many name as a laser security. When a person or object or cross over the laser line, the security alarm will on to focus their interference to unauthorized of signal laser by using mirror at every corner reflection. Now we will see the circuit diagram of this security system. Then we will see the procedure. Connect a photocell to a 5 Kelvin resistor. This will pick up to laser light and enable to alarm. Use a 2N700 transistor to link their register. The attached should demonstrate how two parts to come together. Use to breadboard to hold them in a place and make it sure board is small to fit into protect box. Do not connect the battery yet. Use to tap, glue or strip to velcro to mount the protect box on either side the door as you wish to protect. Connect a 9-volt battery to the first project box and replace it in the exact portion was in. Turn the laser with a toggle the switch and make sure it lines up perfectly with the photocell. The alarm is now activated. If anything break to beam, siren will go off. Then advantage of this project. Laser security system locks working. Laser door alarm is based on the interpretation of laser beam. The laser pointer is used as a source of light beam. Laser system. Laser technology produced to will calculate distance by measuring the time of light of every short infrared light. Other use of laser system. The laser security system are high tech innovation that have gained popularity in home office security system. Then conclusion. Home security is a rapidly growing field too. There are now an improved bulgar alarm popping off every day. With the rapid advancement of technology, the field is turning out to be an area full of scope and change can made to make it more efficient. It has years to come because security is the most prime to one and at all. Thank you.